Hi, and welcome to a new Whimsy Stamps release. Today I am sharing the brand new Revealers 3 die set. Now, this is a large die set, and there are two separate dies. You can either twist them apart or use your wire cutters. I'm going to go ahead and cut these apart so we can die cut them and see what they look like individually. We have one revealer that looks like a trail for our awesome new alien stamp sets and dies. How great is this? You can use both the cutout and kind of the negative space that was left over from the die cut and create two really great projects. I absolutely love this die with its little loop-de-loop. It's my favorite from the set. I'm going to move these off, and I've die cut the second die, and this one is more of a V shape, and you can also get two different great looks from this. I don't know why, but the bottom one really reminds me of an alligator mouth. I think that'd be a really fun card to create, just making the whole card like an alligator mouth. Here I've used that little loop-de-loop trail on a Slimline card that says I want to believe from the UFWHOA stamp set. All of the products are so great released today. You can use the links down below to get your Revealers 3 die set and check out everything else. Make sure you also head over to our social media sites where you can find more inspiration using this die set. Bye!